How to add PBR textures in Blender. So first of all, you have to go to Edit and Preferences, then Add-ons, search for Node Wrangler and check the box to enable it. And after that, you have to create a material and select the principled BSDF. Like in the shading workspace, add a new material in your object, select the principled BSDF node, and after that, with the principled BSDF node selected, press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Navigate to the folder containing your PBR texture map like base color, roughness, normal, etc. And after that, you have to select all the textures files you want to use and click Principal Texture Setup. Some tutorials suggested using tutorial videos for this step. And if your texture include a displacement map, you may need to adjust the displacement settings in the material properties and potentially the displacement node scale within the shader editors. And for displacement, you to work correctly, make sure the render engine is set to cycles, and you can further adjust the material properties such as roughness, metallic, etc. within the principled BSDF node to achieve the desired look. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.